scaling up LFP production but struggling with low efficiency, high energy consumption, and uncontrollable costs? The Boyee NMM direct drive Nano Bead mill is specifically designed for 10,000-ton scale production lines, delivering high throughput, high efficiency, and low energy consumption. Permanent magnet water-cooled motor, energy-efficient direct drive design, lower maintenance requirements, and reliable long-term operation. Silicon carbide grinding chamber, wear and corrosion resistance, excellent thermal dissipation, and stable grinding temperature. Pin-type rotor, high energy density, enhanced grinding efficiency, and superior wear resistance. Wedge-shaped filter screen. Unique wedge-shaped structure prevents zirconia beads from getting stuck, large filtration area, and smooth material flow. Double-ended mechanical seal. Zero leakage, ensuring long-term stable operation. NMM 400, 1000, 1500, and 2000 L models, specifically designed for the fine grinding of lithium iron phosphate at an annual production capacity of 10,000 tons. Enables industrial scale production. Boyee provides turnkey EPC plant construction services, offering process design, equipment supply, installation, commissioning, and plant delivery. Helping battery material manufacturers reduce costs, improve efficiency, and achieve stable mass production.